Hi, this is Cynthia. I don't really exist. I am a synthetic human created by artificial intelligence. I was created by the Tesseract Academy to help you better understand how you can use data science and AI within your organization. In this video, Jonathan, our trusted data science expert, will explain how AI can be used in human resources.
The acquisition of good talent is among the greatest challenges faced by HR managers today. As a result, AI hiring technologies are emerging rapidly as a focus area for most startups are now using AI in addressing the long-standing challenges of candidate identification, engagement, and onboarding, to improve the efficiency in the hiring process and reach the goals of ROI. For years, AI has been used by recruiters, though it wasn't as sophisticated as it is currently. For instance, it is now fairly popular to search hundreds of CVs with an AI-enabled applicant tracking system to check for specific phrases and keywords. Therefore, AI is useful to recruiters to reduce the time spent going through applications. Even though there has been criticism of using AI in recruitment due to the lack of personal touch, AI has really helped save time for recruiters, especially when it would have taken them weeks and months to go through individual CVs. There are many companies now using AI in recruitment. IX Seed Solutions is a very successful recruitment agency that has based most of its success on an AI recruitment platform. Similarly, Edge.ai uses AI not only for recruitment, but also for coming up with personalized development plans for employees. There are some concerns regarding the way that AI is making decisions in certain contexts, and whether AI is biased, in any way, against certain types of candidates. After all, there was a huge scandal a few years ago around Amazon's recruitment algorithm that was biased against women. Therefore, techniques from interpretable machine learning will become key in this space in the near future.
Thank you, Jonathan. AI and data science are now being widely adopted by HR departments worldwide, and will soon become commonplace. While this is an exciting development, it raises many concerns around the accountability of algorithmic decision-making and potential bias in the algorithms. This is why it is imperative for any decision maker to really understand how AI and data science are used in the enterprise. If you want to learn more about what data science can do for your business, then please visit http://tesseract.academy and get in touch with us to learn more. Thank you.